Action News at 10.
Financial advice is everywhere as families cope with shrinking income or no paychecks.
So how do you decide which advice to follow? Jen Strathman is here with some tips.
There are lots of financial experts out there trying to make a buck off you in this bad economy, but getting financially fit doesn't have to cost you a dime. Bridget Driscoll loves Irish dancing so much she wants to start her own business.
It's something that I love to do. I like dancing a lot. I like working with kids.
But unlike her dancing, she didn't know the first step to take until she saw a credit union offering cash awards in a competition for saving the most money and paying down the most debt. She and her husband applied and were selected. The competition began with their own personal financial coach. Every month, Bridget must account for every penny she spends. Her coach offers advice on how to trim expenses and pay down debt. She says it's making a big difference, and she credits the coaching.
If you need that structure to actually go and have the instruction to help you through it, then absolutely that might be a good way for you to go.
Jana Castanon is a consumer credit counselor. She says budgeting is pretty simple, and advice is available for free on all major financial websites, as well as the library. But she admits it takes self-discipline to bring words to life. The key is choosing and sticking with a plan that works best for you. Bridget loves the spreadsheet her coach gave her because it organizes and tracks her expenses.
It allocates out the money.
She also likes being accountable to the coach.
It's one thing when you've got you and your spouse holding each other accountable. When you've got somebody else you're having to report your numbers to and someone's scrutinizing it and looking at it.
The coach has also helped the dancer open up lines of communication she and her husband were avoiding.
There was one little credit card issue that I had to kind of pull out of him. But now it's almost resolved, like we've almost got the whole thing paid off.
It's all good news for this dancer who is on firmer financial footing and says she hopes to start holding lessons in June right here at the Irish Museum at Union Station. Bridget is blogging about her progress as part of the competition. Go to NBC Action News and click on Call for Action for a list of free workshops this weekend and next week so you can be smart with your money. Jen Strathman, NBC Action News.